So I guess everyone can hear me. The currency markets have opened. So we are on 1st December 2014, and we are on a Monday also, where the crude and the gold and silver prices have dropped drastically. So I'll be showing you certain applications here. I have 3 softwares which I'll be actually showing you. So the first thing, what you are seeing here, that is the NinjaTrader, and this is your SharePro data server where we get the data for NinjaTrader. So since the currency markets are open, I'll just take USD INR and then try to open the chart for USD INR. That will give us an idea of how the markets are open at 9:15. So I just took the backfill. So what I do is I'll just take the historical data and then just open the charts. So you have 3 applications. Initially what I'll be doing is I will be placing some trades. I'll show you how to place some trades, and after that I'll give you a detailed user interface of all the 3 software. So that is USD INR. So we have just put it on a 10-minute chart. So what you are seeing here is called as TradingTree software. Here you can trade in all the segments, that is equity, futures, options, commodity, agriculture, NCDX, and you can trade in even currency also. So let me just start the data. So now you can just see that these are the live prices of USD INR, that is in futures. 62.54 is the price for the dollar. So we got a buy call here on a Friday, and it's a gap up open today. So the other important thing, in case if you already know, if you know few things like this, it will be helpful. But this is for someone who doesn't know. You'll always can check how the market will open with the help of the SGX Nifty, which we get the data refreshed in money control. So it's around minus 13 points. So naturally your USD INR is gap up open. So the market will be a slight gap down open. Then we'll start seeing how the market will react. We have the RBI policy that is being done. So we'll just wait and watch how the markets will open. So what I have shown you is the TradingTree software where you can trade on all the segments. Now what I'll do is I'll just minimize this and come back to I'll just minimize the NinjaTrader and come back to the other software, what we call it as the FuturesTree trading software. This is purely FuturesTree is for purely intraday. You can trade in all 30 scripts. You can trade 30 scripts which are available in the F&O segment at a single time. So you have the scripts here. You have the current market price of the script. This is the old data. So what we do is the name of the script, against the name of the script is the current market price, and you have SL. SL is nothing but your stop loss. There is a buy price, there is a sell price, and the entry for buy and the entry for sell. So you have various target levels also, and simultaneously we have the percentage of profits. What we are seeing is the percentage of profit in case if a particular script makes its target. So it's very simple to use. What you'll have to do is you'll have to just double click on the icon that you have on the desktop and then click on the historical data in the morning, that is before the market opens. So I have already done the historical data. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be clicking only on the current day data at 9:15. 9:15 once the market opens, I'll just click on the current day data and put it on and click on the auto refresh button, what you are seeing here. So once I do that, I'll start getting the prices for all the 30 scripts what I have, and then I can start trading. So this is FuturesTree. It's only for intraday. I think others are able to hear. then maybe you'll have to check out on your speakers. So this is FuturesTree. The other thing what I wanted to show is the robo trading. We call it as price catch. So I'm just opening this now. So this is an software again what we have for trading. It doesn't give us any signals or whatever it is, but it is a robo which places the orders for you without any problem. So you have certain disclaimers that you'll be solely responsible for this. You're not going to do anything if you have any problem with the software. So that is okay. Now I have added all the F&O scripts here in the segment. Now you can just see that you can do various things, like you can do paper trading. If you have Nest now, Odin Diet, Angel Diet or MetaTrader, you can directly place trades on your terminal also. So you don't have to really type your numbers of these scripts and then you'll have to wait. There are various facilities which I will be practically showing you on how to place the orders. You have the money management, time management, you have risk management. There are a lot of features in this which will help a person. Like in case, let's say I want to set active profit for every plus 1,000 rupees. You can set that and then leave it. Whenever you make 1,000 rupees on a script, it will automatically exit. So simultaneously you can set your active losses also. So these are some of the things that we have. And you can manually place the orders also. Let's say like ACC buy above, short below. So once you get the call, I will show you how that works in NinjaTrader perfectly. And you have something called as buy at the market price and buy or sell at the market price. Here you can just click on market short or market buy and it will immediately place the order. I will be showing you that in live again. So these are the three softwares that I wanted to show you and which will be very useful for you to trade. So now coming back to FuturesTree, we have certain scripts on news. So I'll just add those scripts on news. So I'll be just adding those scripts on news, so you can just see how we do this. So I have HEROMOTOCO, SAIL, JSW, HINDPETRO, BPCL, IOCL, GAIL. These scripts are there. So instead of using those this default scripts, I will add my scripts now, the scripts which are on news. So in place of ITC, I am actually placing. Let me put it on full screen. So in place of ITC, let me say I am adding GAIL, and SUNPHARMA is in news. Tech Mahindra is, we don't have anything, but it was a short on Friday. So here I am adding BPCL. I will add Hindustan Petroleum here. In place of Bharati, I will add IOC. Reliance, I will add, what do we have? Let me add APOLLOTYRE. So whenever the price of crude comes down, the major beneficiaries of the companies, oil marketing companies and even the tire companies, for their they get their raw material from crude. So if crude prices falls, APOLLOTYRE obviously should be in a good position. So I am just retaining ONGC, CAIRN, Tata Steel and Hindalco here. And in case of DLF, I'll add some other scripts. So let me add, in place of Maruti, I'll add ACC. We had a very good trade on Friday. In case if it continues today, it will be very good. ACC, JSWSTEEL is something which I'll add. place of DLF, I will add I'll add JUBLFOOD. Now we have the biggest, second biggest pizza eaters in the world now. So Bank of Baroda and PNB are also there. So in place of Cipla, I'll add PNB. In place of Wipro, I'll add Bank of Baroda. In place of TCS, I'll add TATAPOWER. So I'll retain rest of the things like this. So I just added all the scripts. Now what I will be doing is I'll be just waiting till the market opens, and let's just have a look at how the markets of the pre-market is opening. So that's around 16 points gap up. So I've just briefly showed you what are the applications that we have. This is the FuturesTree, and we have the trading tree charts. So all these softwares are different softwares, and they have their own different pricing, and they have their own way of working also. And the other thing what we have is the price catch, that is our robo. And the robo is it should be monitored by a trader. It's not like you just switch it on and then give some inputs and then it will do its work. That way it won't work. I would suggest when you are using a robo, you must and should sit in front of that particular application. Otherwise there will be dangerous consequences. So robo, I'll just show you how to trade. So I have just added the symbols here. So what I usually do is, the way I trade is, whenever I get the prices on FuturesTree, I directly buy in the current market price, either buy or sell. And then I just look at the active trades and completed trades and just see what's my profit and then close it, that's it. And I do even trade with the trading tree symbols also. Whatever the signals that are generated in trading tree. I will even show you how to trade that. So let's just wait for another 2 minutes, and as soon as the market opens, I will just play some trades for you to just see. And I will concentrate more on how to take the trades and how to use all the three applications rather than me placing the trades and you just watching it. So if you have Nest now, Odin DAT or Angel DAT and MetaTrader, you can start using the robo trade. I mean the price catch robo what we have, you can start using it. So it's 9:14 now. So what I will do is, at 9:15 I'll just click on the current day data. So that's the bell for the opening. So you can just see that the prices are getting populated here. So I will just click on the current day data in my FuturesTree file. At the left corner bottom, you can just see that the data is being updated. So we get the data from another source. So you can just see your data getting updated. So once this icon stops, what we'll do is we'll click on the auto refresh on button so that we can get the prices for all the scripts, and then we can start trading. So you can just see some of the scripts are already opened, that is ACC, L&T, we have a buy call. So once this icon stops, then I'll put it on auto refresh on. So I just put it on auto refresh on. Now what I'll do is I will put it on full screen so that you can just see that JSWSTEEL there is a green, RANBAXY there is a buy, Hindalco there is a buy, and there are some scripts, L&T is a buy, and there are some scripts which have even the red lines. You can just see that. These red lines, the red vertical lines, and this into symbol means that these particular scripts are not ready for trading still. So what I'll do is I'll just place a trade in JSWSTEEL. It's already come down, but anyway I just wanted to show you, so I'll just show you how to place the trade. We didn't get the data for that, so we'll have to wait some time for it to get populated also. So Tata Power, we have a buy. So for the scripts, what we have, that is the red lines what we have and the into symbols, what we'll be doing is, we'll be again clicking on the current day data button at 9:20 and we'll be getting the prices for all the other scripts. Then we can actually start trading also. So at 9:20 I'll just take the current day data. Meanwhile what I'm doing is I'm just opening some trading tree charts. So it's very simple to trade now. Let me just give you an example of the JSWSTEEL itself. As soon as you get the data, you will get a green color here, 1206 is the entry, and the prices what you are seeing here on S-Bank, we have a buy call 717. So the prices what you are getting here are the spot market prices. So with the spot market prices, you can trade on futures and even on options also. So you can trade on all the three. That is the futures, the options, and the spot market. So we can see that SBI is a gap up open. So whenever scripts open like this, maybe now you see APOLLOTYRE or SBI, whenever scripts open like this, we don't take that call. Usually the scripts which start after this intermediate target, we usually don't take those calls. So it might reverse also. That is one of the reasons why we don't take that calls. But other scripts you can trade. You can see Tata Motors, we have a sell. We have Tata Motors sell, and PNB we have a sell call. You can see at the right side, Bank of Baroda we have a sell call. Tata Steel we have a sell. ONGC we have a sell. And CAIRN India also we have a sell call. So other things also, BPCL, Hindustan Petroleum and IOC also are sell calls. So whenever you find that red color, what you'll do is you'll immediately short one lot of Tata Steel or Bank of Baroda or PNB at the current market price, whichever is existing at that time. So let me just place an order for S-Bank.
Strategy alert.
So when you place the order, you will get this prompt saying that your strategy is alerted. So you can just see what will be your active trades here. So I know that I have an buy call in S-Bank. My stop loss is 710. HDFC I have a sell call. Let me short HDFC.
Strategy alert.
So I just placed two orders. So L&T SUNPHARMA, let me place an order. You should be fast in placing the orders. Since I'm talking and then doing it, I'm finding it a bit difficult. Otherwise, by this time I could have placed most of the orders. JUBLFOOD, let's buy JUBLFOOD.
Strategy alert.
So meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll just open the trading tree charts. It becomes very simple for me to trade on both the softwares. So Bank Nifty, we have a sell call 18549.
There is a sell call in HDFC Bank A1.
So we'll place an order for HDFC in a short while. And let me just tell you one important thing, that this is purely for people who trade regularly and people who are into intraday trading, intraday or positional trading, but they should be doing it daily. It's not for people who just come and have a look once the Nifty goes up by 100 points on one day and then try to trade on the next day. It won't help them much. So in case if you are a real intraday trader who regularly does trading, then it will be very helpful for you. And the idea is to trade daily. So once you trade daily, you'll definitely be in profits. So you make a loss of 5 or 10,000 on any particular day. You can always, you'll always get the chance to recover those losses and even make profits some other day. So it's very important that you should be there in the market always. And I'll come back to even the margins also. I think many people here whom I have talked to, they don't know much about the margins. They always talk about the brokerage only. So brokerage is an important thing, but meanwhile almost every broker is matching the other counterpart of his in the market, in the present market. But how many are actually giving you good exposures, that no one knows. So that is also one very important thing that you should be having it in mind. So we'll come back to that again, the subject of